So, very excited. We're here today with string players from the Royal Academy of Music. This is our termly collaboration with them. It's part of the Advanced Recording and Mixing course. And part of that course is the students have to record a string section. So every term we do a different track. Last term we did Amy Winehouse, Love is a Losing Game. The term before that we did Massive Attack's Unfinished Sympathy. And this term we're doing Thinking of You by Sister Sledge, an all-time disco classic. So yeah, they've just been in there running through the parts. They've been given the string arrangement. Point blank students are getting levels, making sure that the string players have got good levels in their cans. So yeah, let's go and have a look and see how it's going.